Looking for the perfect pair of roller skates to get your child rolling with confidence? These classic traditional quad skates offer just that, combining durability, comfort, and style in one neat package. Whether your child is skating indoors or outside, these skates deliver a smooth ride with features designed to support growing feet and active play. What sets these quad skates apart? The 3/4 athletic style boot features a padded ankle collar that cushions every step, making skating comfortable even during longer sessions. The lace and Velcro Power Strap closures allow for a customizable fit, so your child can adjust the tightness as they go. Plus, the lightweight nylon chassis and double-action adjustable trucks give young skaters the freedom to move naturally, while the toe stop adds an extra layer of control and safety. Durability is key when it comes to kids' skates, and these do not disappoint. Equipped with 54mm urethane high-impact oversized wheels and semi-precision 608Z bearings, they handle both indoor and outdoor surfaces with ease. The oversized PVC spoke core adds strength without extra weight, ensuring your child can skate confidently without worrying about wear and tear. One parent shared how these Chicago roller skates quickly became a favorite. They praised the durability and comfort, noting their daughter can even decorate them with tie-on pom-poms for a personal touch. Going up a size gave her room to grow, and wearing 2 pairs of socks helped keep the fit cozy. This thoughtful design makes these skates a smart investment for any kid ready to start skating. If your child is just starting out or looking for a reliable upgrade, these classic quad skates offer what you need: a sturdy build, adjustable fit, and a lightweight feel that makes skating fun and easy. They're a solid choice for parents who want quality without fuss and kids who want to enjoy every glide and turn. Worth a look if you want skates that combine comfort, control, and lasting performance. Try them when you're ready to see your child take confident steps into the world of roller skating.